This video is for the students who didn't prepare for IELTS speaking and facing the difficulty for the speaking in IELTS. So in this video, I will share with you some sample questions, how you can answer properly and perfectly in your IELTS speaking and to achieve your required score. Actually, in speaking, what they are doing, they are calling the students early and they are letting them wait for 30 minutes. And this time is too critical because it's stressing and killing the student mentally. At that time, you are facing it is very difficult to answer the question and how it would be. But I'm going to share with you a very simple method and a strategy. In this way, any topic, any question, any type of IELTS exam, you can crack easily. Okay, let's start with the question number 1. For example, your question number 1 is examiner is asking which country are you from. These are very simple questions and they are asking it every time. So which country are you from? Simply you will tell here the name, your country. Like for example, I am from this. Simply start directly from the answer. I mean, which part of the country do most people live in? So simply you can answer in a way, most people live in northern part of the country and western part of the country. In this way, your answer is perfect. In this way, you can get a high score. Your score will not be less than 6. What is the best thing about your country? So here you are supposed to talk about best thing. The best thing about my country is agriculture, industry, whatever is the best thing in your country. Simply you start from the question. The best thing in my country or about my country is agriculture. Do people in your country like barbecues? Yes, people in my country like barbecues. You can see simply from the question, if you are giving answer in a very simple way, you are getting 6 easily. Okay, then we will move towards the second part of the question. Do you like to wear special costumes? Yes, I like to wear special costumes, especially on special occasions like Eid, whatever, Christmas, whatever is your special occasion, you can say about it. Did you like to try on special costumes when you were a child? Yes, I like to try on special costumes when I was a child, because you can expand your question while using the because at the end. Because I love to wear fancy clothes. In this way, it's very easy, very simple. You can get 6 band very easily. So now I will discuss how you can answer properly and perfectly for the cue card. Whatever is the topic, just get relaxed and wait and just watch this video until the end. You will be able to give the whole answer. Here the question is, describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. You should say when it was, where you saw it, what you saw, and explain why you thought it was interesting. You will have 1 minute. Use that 1 minute wisely. Just write the answer for the prompts. Describe a time. You will write about the time interesting on social media, when there was something interesting you saw on the social media. I mean, any interesting thing you can mention, or anything that was not interesting but you like it, so you can mention according to your taste. So when it was, you can talk about any time, where you saw it, where you were sitting, what you saw and what it was, and then after that you are supposed to little explain. Only they will let you speak for 1 minute, and within 1 minute you will be able to answer for these things very easily and comfortably. So don't get panic. I can share with you the sample answer for these topics as well. But if you are not able to still get the idea, then you can tell me in the comments. You can join our WhatsApp group and you can come for 5 speaking practice, I mean mock tests, and you will get the proper feedback how much score you are going to get in the exam. Don't get panic. Speaking is nothing. It is very simple. What are the most popular social media sites in your country? So here you are supposed to talk about, you can see Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and after that we are using emo. Whatever the most, you can say, popular social media site, you can just tell the names. The most popular social media sites in my country: Facebook, WhatsApp, emo, and YouTube. Are there any local foreign social media sites that are popular? Which social media sites do old young people use? There are many sites, social media sites are popular in my country, but in my country mostly old people they are using this site, young people you are I mean any site, social media site you can talk about here. Whatever you are feeling at that time is coming into your mind. Actually, they are not considering about the data. They are just considering your ability to speak. Are you able to answer or you able to explain it well? And after that, the last topic of your speaking is, do you agree that social media companies should be responsible for all of the content on their platform? Yes, I completely agree that social media companies should be responsible for all of the content on their platforms. In this way, you can just expand your answer because people are doing whatever they are watching, so social companies should take the responsibility. You can see how it's easy and simple for you to answer this question. Next question, who should be responsible for controlling social media companies? Government should be responsible for controlling social media companies. So in this way you can answer all the questions easily and in a very simple way. If still you are facing any difficulty, you can contact with us. We will guide you and we will give you all the practice for all the topics. And if you are facing any difficulty with any topic, just write it and we will give you the proper idea. Join our WhatsApp group, subscribe our channel to get the more ideas about speaking, and this channel will really help you to achieve high score in your IELTS. Best of luck.